We finished peak number 22 of 2022.
Booyah! Boo!
There are 54 mountains east of the Mississippi with 6,000-foot summits. Of these, only 2 are completely outside of North Carolina. So as Carolinians, we have challenged ourselves to hike 22 of these summits this year. We call our challenge 22 in 2022. For our final summit of 2022, we tackled the moderate hike to Patton Knob. Wedged between the Blue Ridge Parkway and Mount Mitchell State Park is a stretch of the Mountain to Sea Trail that meanders around Patton Knob and takes hikers to our destination. While Patton Knob itself is tree covered with not much to see, the path along the MTS Trail has several breathtaking views of the Blue Ridge south of the Black Mountains, including Craggy Wilderness, North Fork Reservoir, and Graybeard Mountain. Even though not much of the trail is officially in the Mount Mitchell State Park, you can reach the trailhead by taking the Blue Ridge Parkway to mile marker 355 and Highway 128, the Mount Mitchell entrance and the highest road east of the Mississippi River.
How's that? Oh my gosh. Wow.
Hold it up like you're gonna do a sword, like you're sword fighting.
The way the water has been frozen has created these scales Something little pebbles of ice have formed.
Wow. Get them to fall down. Oh, well, that worked.
Wow.
Can I do it again? That one there is probably 8 feet long. Oh, she got it! You know you're hovering the 6,000 foot elevation when you start seeing all this moss. That looks like a peak there. All Trails has us at the end of the trail, and we're just trying to find where the peak is. Slight bit of bushwhacking. Right there, where that circle means there's no point of elevation higher than that. There it is.
Here we are at Patton Knob, peak number 22 of 2022. All right, we did it. High five. Woo!
So there's Patton Knob, and we are headed down the little bushwhacking to the trail, to the Mountain to Sea trail. There it is. That's the trail? Yep. Okay. The wind up here sounds brutal. Luckily, we're kind of protected by the trees. Here we go. And booyah! Boo!
This is it. We finished peak number 22 of 2022, and we have accomplished our goal. Woo!
Oh, I was going to.
Oh, you
there's our trail. And off over there, I believe that's Graybeard. Let's try to put a link to our Graybeard Mountain hike.
We're back at the car, and we just completed an entire trail without seeing another single soul.
First time, maybe? I don't know.
I think it is first time. We have seen like one or two other people on other trails, especially on that one at, with the landslide.
Cold Mountain?
We've seen two people. That
Yeah.
was all. This is the first time with none.
Phew. Interesting.
We climbed a mountain, then turned around. So if you see my reflection on a snow-covered hill, the landslide will bring you down.
Mountain to Sea Trail. We are at the end of our journey.
Thanks for watching. We hope this gets you excited about getting out and exploring on your own. Click to the right to subscribe. Click to the left for more adventures.